Hello people, welcome back to Expulse Travel Diary. Mình quên nữa Thái Lan là chọn rượu về Asai hai 20 May 2024 Guwahati khẩu thế traffic jam chắc chắn là này bấm thế tàu ha muộn hay giáo cụ ấy thùng nói cho tôi nó dính mãi bấm thế. It's somewhat cloudy at the moment and many of them are returning back from their workplaces. Now it is 6:14 and many of them are still on the way, because of which the traffic is heavy. See there on my right there is a turning point. Some are going on the right and from the right they're coming. So this sort of meeting point actually creates a traffic. And here is also another diversion, because of which vehicles are held up here. Evening like this, it is so pleasant to ride on a bike. You get a good air sitting on a bike, even if it is quite humid. When you ride on a bike, you feel very good. It's like sitting in front of a fan. I'm really longing for a good shower in Guwahati. Looking at the sky, I'm hoping against hope for a good rain. Global warming is a real thing, guys. I'm very sure who are staying in Delhi, Dimapur, Guwahati and many other places which you know, you can put it down. It's a reality. So many second-hand cars. In many localities you find people selling second-hand cars in Guwahati. So this place is Jayanagar Chariali, Guwahati. In here you'll find one of the best cake bakeries in Guwahati. I think now I can cross, so I'm going to get some cakes. Red velvet 2, black forest 2, tiramisu pudding 1, pineapple pastry egg. It's a very nice place. You can come and have tea also. Loyens Bakery and Confectionery. It's good. Sometimes I come and get cakes from here. Now the traffic is slightly less. Should be able to turn. Looks like it's drizzling. It's good. No issue. I've been waiting for the rain. Sometimes shortcut in life is good. Shortcut, or rather alternatives. Not getting stuck to one way or one highway kind of life. We know where we are going to reach, and then we find the alternative and we make a choice and then move. Similar thing I am doing with my bike at the moment. Anyways, sometimes Google can be so tricky, but at the same time, if you have a knowledge complemented by Google, then it is good. If Google takes you alone, then it can be a big ride, especially in the city. Remember my vlog on visiting the sick? By God's grace, he is discharged today after about 2 weeks in ICU and about 1 week of observation. By God's grace, he is discharged. So I thank all those who have said a prayer, and it is a moment of strengthening the faith of the family and people, all the faithful who have prayed for the sick. And I also pray that may God give him speedy recovery. And with that good note, here I end my vlog. Everybody needs love and respect. Let us be that giver. Let's be that agent who promotes love and respect among people. With that, let's prepare to meet in the next vlog. Bye bye.